Hey everybody, Jim Chester coming to you live again. Cal Jam, year number 13.
Number 13, lucky 13, man.
We're out here Costa Mesa, California. I have my good friend here, Clint Steele, with me. We're going to just talk a little bit about chiropractic. We're going to send a big shout out to Mary Jane and Billy DeMoss for hosting such a dynamic event. It takes a lot of work to put these things on, man. I know that this is your first year, so let's talk a little bit about maybe some of your takeaways.
Some of my takeaways, the first, especially this morning, man, we had 3 powerful women coming on. 2 of them are chiropractors. And the takeaway, from yesterday and so far this morning is more docs need to step up and share the truth of chiropractic. Forget this back pain and neck pain crap, all right? We've got to step up and we've got to share the truth. People are out there dying right now because they don't know the truth of chiropractic.
So let's just share a little bit more about Billy DeMoss and what it means for that guy to step up.
What does it mean for him to step up? He's already stepping up, man. He's trying to encourage other docs to step up. We talked last night about Billy and just he is who he is, man. He just tells the truth. He doesn't care if people like him, don't like him. He knows his truth and he shares it. And that's it. And that's what more chiropractors need to do. He's not afraid of it, man. I think so many chiropractors today, especially, they're fearful of being rejected or being, criticized or not being accepted. It doesn't matter, man. We know the truth of health. We know the truth of chiropractic. We know the truth about vaccines. We know the truth about, eating crap. We know all this truth. We just got to go out and share it with more people. And it doesn't matter if we're rejected. It doesn't matter because we need to save more lives. And so that's what Billy does.
Yeah, so many times when I meet chiropractors that are passionate like you, the mission is to save lives. And if we don't tell people the truth about chiropractic, then what happens is eventually families get misled with drugs, with surgery, and those are things that will have a spiral effect on the family unit. And eventually you have sick care instead of health care. And we're following a sick care model. But if we really want to find healthy family units, like you said, there's mama bears up there on stage that are protecting the future of their children. And if we don't step up and tell people what chiropractic stands for, then we're destined to have turmoil.
Yeah, we're losing our profession. We're losing our roots, right? And because we're not sharing the truth with people, we're being pigeonholed into this neck and low back pain paradigm, and we've got to get rid of that. Stop with the neck pain. Stop with the back pain. Let's go out and share the truth of chiropractic.
So tell me a little bit more about your mission. I know that there's a website that people can click on up there in the description for truechiro.org, but tell me a couple things why people should maybe pay attention to your mission.
Well, my mission is this. I was in a neck and back pain clinic for 17 years. I couldn't figure out how to get people to understand the truth of chiropractic. And so, I had a low PVA practice. I had a relief pain practice, not because I wanted to, but because that's what paid the bills. And I gave up. I said, I'm done with chiropractic. And 3 years later, I said, you know what, I'm getting back in. I was selling Kirby vacuum cleaners at the time because I was dead broke. I said, I'm getting back into chiropractic, but this time I'm going to share the truth of chiropractic. And so, as I started doing that, and docs, listen, because once you start sharing the truth with people, you'll get these big eyes. You'll get people's eyes open up, and they'll say to you, I promise you, they'll do this. They'll say, oh, I didn't know that's what chiropractic was all about. And I told my wife, I said, we're on to something because people don't know what chiropractic is all about. They think it's about neck and low back pain. And what happened with me, docs, if you're afraid to share the truth, this is what happened to me, and this is what we're teaching docs through True Chiro. So I went from 0 to 500 patient visits a week in 6 months. In 6 months. My previous practice, the most I ever saw was 100, 125 a week. I did that in 6 months, 100% cash, and that was starting off with 0 credit and totally broke. And so I said to my wife, I said, we need to share the truth with more people. And then what happened was docs came to us and said, how did you do this? We're stuck in this relief care practice and we're sick of it. We've met so many docs that are ready to throw in the towel because they're stuck in this neck and low back pain paradigm practice, right? And they're suffering financially. They're suffering from a healthcare standpoint in their communities. And we said we've got to help docs too. So Not only do we help educate the public about the truth of chiropractic, but we help docs share the truth of chiropractic, and then we've developed systems to help docs make it easy to share the truth of chiropractic so they can build lifetime wellness-based practices.
That's amazing. Well, I just want to invite everybody that's not here at CalJam 2020 to go to caljam.org, and you guys can go over there and watch the live stream of today's event, which is pretty cool.
It's amazing.
And join the CalJam network, which is $7 a month. And then if you guys wanted to come and see it 2021, you can do early bird registration. And I think they have a really good price on tickets right now. So if you guys didn't make it to 2020, the year of perfect vision, you guys definitely want to make it out here for 2021. And I know that there's so much buzz going on in this building right now. Right now, the band's performing on stage. This hallway's full of people that are like passionate about the future of chiropractic, natural health. This place is buzzing with energy, right?
Absolutely. You got to be around this. This is one of the things. You've got to surround yourself with other docs that are focused and want true chiropractic to be out in the public, right? Surround yourself with docs. When you come here, man, you're gonna I'm buzzed. I'm ready to go out and go home and share the truth of chiropractic with more and more people in my community.
That's amazing. Yeah, and if you guys are watching this right now and you see some value in this, hit the share button for us so more people know about what Dr. Clint is doing and how he's helping chiropractors raise their PVA and get busy practices out there. Because if we don't tell people about truth of chiropractic, then eventually people will be sold into drugs and surgery. And there is a time and place for that. I'm not saying that we're totally against that type of care. There is a time and place for that, but we like to have this chiropractic method being spread to so many people that we have healthy communities and healthy families. And really what it is spreading the big idea, and that's BJ Palmer's work.
Absolutely, 100%. Yeah, you keep talking about, more and more people are moving towards this medical model. More and more people see the truth of the medical model, that it's not working. They're looking for something else, but they don't know what we do because too many people think chiropractic is about neck and low back pain. So I promise you, docs, you go out and you start sharing the truth, people are going to come to you because they're already looking for you as long as you let them know what it is that you do.
Well, once again, guys, we're going to close out, but we'll be going live all day long here at Costa Mesa, California, 13th Annual California Jam. The band just finished playing. We have interviews going the rest of the day, like I said. And if you didn't make it out here in 2020, make sure you guys go early bird register for next year and watch the Cal Jam Network. It's $7 a month. And I can't tell you guys how valuable it is to be connected to this group of people out here because we are actually the ones that are going to change the world.
We're changing the world, man. We are going to change the world. Absolutely.
All right. Well, is there anything I didn't ask you'd like to share with our audience?
Go to truechiro.org. If you're a chiropractor, go to our Truth Teller group, our private Facebook group. It's called the Chiropractic Truth Tellers. It's Chiropractic Truth Tellers. We share tons of value in there. We've got over 1,000 docs in there, and just a great community to help spread the word, the truth of more chiropractic. Follow us on our podcast, 2 Minutes to Better Chiropractic. Share tidbits, golden nuggets, all kinds of great things. Awesome. Keep following this guy, man. He's doing some great. My hats go off to you. My wife is a chiropractic advocate. She's not a chiropractor. You're not a chiropractor, but you guys are doing more for the chiropractic profession than a lot of chiropractors are. So hats off to you, my wife, and other chiropractic advocates out there that are help sharing the truth.
Awesome. Well, I'm just going to say, if you guys found some value in this, hashtag value in the comments. If you're watching this on replay, hashtag replay in the comments there. And do us a big favor and hit the share button so more people get this message. And I'm going to close out by telling you, you're just one story away. Keep hustling. We'll see you guys on the next one.